Hey everyone, I'm Milky. I'm a product manager at Advantech, and today I'll be showcasing our video appliance products. As you can see here, we have the VEGA-6000 and the VEGA-6321. So these are video appliances that handle video capture and video encoding, as well as video decoding, all on the same device. We have one device here based off of the Xilinx MP-SoC, and we have another appliance based off of the Intel 13th generation processors. And as you can see here, these video appliances enable low latency streaming around less than 100 millisecond glass-to-glass latency. That summarizes our video appliance product portfolio. You can find more information about these products at advantech.com.